guys, I'm Jenna, the owner of Yogi Nest, and we're going to get started with our first breathing exercise from this mini breathing exercise series that we're doing. Today's exercise is called 4-4 breathing. We're going to be inhaling for the count of 4 and exhaling for the count of 4. So you're doing all of your inhaling and exhaling out of your nose. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Remember, you are breathing from your belly button or slightly lower. You're inhaling all the way up, filling this whole space vertically, filling the space in between your collarbones, and also horizontally allow the ribs to lift up and expand. I'm only going to do a few rounds for the video, but you should do this for 30 to 60 seconds. You can do it for longer. Obviously, if you're in a pinch and you want to do it for shorter, you can do that, but I would suggest 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. My face is really nice and relaxed. I'm going to take my glasses off. Forehead is relaxed, my jaw is relaxed, my throat is relaxed. My shoulders are releasing down away from my ears. So I'm just gonna be here for a second, checking in with my body. Where am I today physically? So I'm just doing a quick body scan from the top of my head all the way down to my toes. Noticing if there's anywhere in the body that feels really, really tight, uncomfortable, painful, very comfortable, very relaxed. And I'm noticing this without judgment. I'm not obsessing about it. I'm noticing it, I'm acknowledging it, and I'm moving on. It's just a quick personal inventory. I'm also going to do the same thing with my thoughts. Are my thoughts racing? Are they negative? Do I feel really positive today and calm? Again, notice it, acknowledge it, and move on. It's just information. So after I've done my check-in with myself, my inventory, I'm going to start this by doing one deep inhale through my nose, opening my mouth and letting it go. I'm going to start my inhale. Opening my mouth and letting it go. Then I'm closing my lips and returning to normal breath in and out of my nose. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. Breathe slowly in and out of your nose. Prepare to start inhaling now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And return to normal breathing in and out of your nose. When I have finished my rounds, my several rounds, 30 to 60 seconds of this round, I'm going to take another big inhale through the nose. When I'm completely full of air, I'm going to open my mouth and let it go. So let's do that now. Nice big inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and let it go. I'm going to lower my head. I'm going to open my eyes. And that's it. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can message me on Instagram. You can contact us on our contact page on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Thanks so much. I hope this